Hi guys, my name is Kimberly and today I'm going to show you my everyday makeup routine using Flawless in 5. First, I'm going to use the Skin Twin Featherweight foundation with the Better Blender. And I usually use about 1 to 2 pumps. And then next I'm going to take the Better Blender. I'd recommend wetting it a little bit before so it's a little damp, and then also using the flat side. Now I'm going to apply the foundation to my face. This foundation also really just plumps my skin. It looks great, it feels great. Make sure you get under the eye. Feels so weightless. It doesn't settle into the creases of fine lines. It's a really great product. I use this brush to follow my natural shape of my eyebrow. And just lightly apply the gel. Wow, you can see how it just fills in really naturally. Next, I'm going to apply Think Big All-in-One Mascara. This mascara gives me a dramatic lift in length. I'm going to apply it to my face. Always remember to do the apples inside of your face, then kind of go out. Always remember less is more. The last and final step is going to be the Beyond Gloss. Apply the outside of my lips, then in. It smells like vanilla. And honestly, smells like a vacation. It's not sticky at all. It feels completely natural on my lips. This lip gloss also keeps my lips hydrated and really soft. So this is my Flawless in 5. I look amazing and also feel amazing.